Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on Paragon Close towards Choosen Few Avenue in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. Turning onto Choosen Few Avenue. Notably, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists, and Choosen Few Avenue is named after the Choosen Few Reggae Group. We are at Marley Boulevard intersection, which is to the left and right, and we are going straight across on Choosen Few Avenue. The Choosen Few Reggae Group is from Kingston, Jamaica, formed in 1969 and were popular until the mid-1980s. The Choosen Few evolved from the Federals, with the latter Franklin Spence and David Scott, joined by Noel Brown and Richard McDonald. They initially recorded reggae covers of songs by artists such as Mink and the Delfonics for producer Derrick Harriott. Scott left the group to embark on a solo career as a DJ, to be replaced by Busty Brown, formerly of the Messengers. We are at Ernie Ranglin Road intersection. The lineup changed again, with McDonald being replaced by Errol Brown, the group working with producer Lloyd Chambers and enjoying hits with versions of Stylistics, People Make the World Go Round, among others, followed in 1973 by the album Hit After Hit. This was followed in 1975 by Everybody Plays the Fool, and in 1976 by the Miami recorded Night and Day album, also known as The Choosen Few in Miami, mixing reggae on one side with soul on the other, and featuring guest performances from members of KC and the Sunshine Band. Choosen Few Avenue ends and we are turning back to Paragon Close. Their success in the 1970s saw them touring the United States, Canada, and England. The group continued in the 1980s with Franklin Spence and Errol Brown, joined by Michael Deslandes, Barry White, Isaac Hayes, guitarist Emmett North Jr., recorded and performed with them around London and UK, also their band leader from 1981 to 1984. We are back at Ernie Ranglin Road intersection, and we are continuing straight on Choosen Few Avenue towards Paragon Close. We are back at Marley Boulevard intersection and we are continuing ahead towards Paragon Close. Turning off Choosen Few Avenue onto Paragon Close. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.